Hi everyone, Gagajoy's cooking, and today we're going to be making something most of us remember well, is funeral potatoes. Now the reason they call them that is, used to be when someone would die, people took food to the house. I remember my mother would always say, I better make a cake, or potato salad, or something like that. And so potatoes, was a plentiful vegetable, so there was, and I will have to say it is good. So you didn't take bad things. You always took your best. So that's why I guess it's separate. If you don't remember people taking food to houses after someone passed away, you're probably under 50. I don't believe, and churches don't even do that now. A lot of churches do have dinner for them in their activity room or something like that, but I don't think they even do that now. People's lives are so busy and people going so many directions at the same time. I guess it's just hard on a pastor or someone to get all the people going the same way at the same time. I can't hardly do it for my children. Now you cut your potatoes up any way you want to. This is the way my mother did it. That's why I'm doing it like this. You cut them in hash rounds, long. And I put one stick of butter. You always take one of your prettiest bowls or your plates. And just layer them in. Of course, you add a few things to it. But it was a sweet time. A lot of times you got to see neighbors you hadn't seen in a long time when they would visit. I think this is 5 potatoes. Might be too many. Okay, a few left. Now, with this, we have to make everything taste good. So, first is your garlic salt. And a little bit of paprika. Okay. Salt and pepper. Teaspoon of salt. Stir that up a little bit. And a teaspoon of pepper. I think I like pepper. Now, next is onion. I chopped up, this was a small little onion, it wasn't a real large onion. But it's plenty, I'm sure. And I also put a little bit of green onion. I love green onions. It just flavors everything so well. Next is soup. Chicken, primitive chicken soup. You can use celery soup, any soup any cream soup, I think will do it. Let's see, I probably need milk. Just a little bit over top. Might need to be thinned down. No milk. Never hurt anybody. Or onions never hurt anybody. Okay. And then comes the main ingredient, of course, is onions. Onions and cheese is my go-to. I don't know how people make casseroles before onions and cheese. But most of the time I have to leave them out because my daughter doesn't like onions. A little bit on top. Probably that it comes out. Okay. Going in the oven for about 45 minutes. And then we'll be right back. Well, we're back and our casserole is out. And it smells good. But, you know, when I put it in the oven, I should have put aluminum foil on it, so I did go back and do that. Here's some real popping. A little bit of onion. Well, that's our funeral potatoes. I'm not sure. Let me taste it. Oh yeah, we're done. Well, I'm glad nobody died, but those are delicious. My goodness, yes. Well, I'm going to have to make that as a side dish more often. Thank you. Thank you for dropping by. Try this. I believe you'll enjoy it. And it did take a full hour. I had my oven set on 375. Took a full hour to get this. And I did have aluminum foil on it. I took it off about 15 minutes before I got it out of the oven. So, a little adjustment there. So enjoy this. Oh, and something else I want to show you. If you saw last week, this is the first time my refrigerator dill pickles. See how I on that? Oh my goodness, there you go. Well, that's another one. If you like dill pickles, you're going to be happy with these. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. We can find joy in a lot of things. See you soon. Bye.